Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today I have the Blackshot FunCooler Pro. So basically this is something for you to cool down your phone while you're on game or playing games, or just to cool down your phone when your phone is overheating like my iPhone. So let's unbox it right now. And right here I have my trusty knife. It looks a bit rusty, so ignore that, it's still usable anyway. So let's unbox it. Do I have to cut it through here? Okay, after some struggle to find out where to cut, now I know where is it. So let's properly open it. Oh god, I'll be right back. Okay, finally I get to open this. They should have much more easier option to do so. Okay, whoa. Now that looks great, really great. It's kind of a little bit weight to it, but I mean, yeah, I don't mind. Whoa, this looks really good. And then come with a USB charging. So, I mean, let's plug right in and see what does it look like. Okay, so let's plug in the USB-C right here. I'm just gonna leave it right there and plug it in somewhere. Is that a switch? Oh yes, it is. Oh, do I have to peel this off? Please remove the protecting film before use. Okay. Is it gonna be sticky? Oh wow, you can actually feel it's quite cooling. Oh. And loving the color of it. So that's it for the unboxing for today. Thank you guys very much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, links down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!